PMSA is the leading and largest manufacturer of a comprehensive range of brick, block and paver-making machinery on the continent. PMSA offers startup to large-scale plants such as the PMSA Ultra 3000. The Ultra 3000 plant is fully automated and supplied with aggregate bins and traveling weigh scale systems, which is a robust and low-maintenance system. Extractor conveyors or pneumatic discharge gates are used to dispense aggregates into the weigh scale. Vibrating plates are used to ensure free flow of aggregates. Moisture in aggregates is compensated through microwave moisture measurement probes. After weighing, the combined aggregates are fed into loader skips and hoisted up for discharge into the pan mixer, which is typically a 3,750-litre planetary pan mixer. After thorough mixing, the finished concrete mix is discharged onto the wet concrete conveyor belt into the Ultra 3000. The Ultra 3000 is designed for production board size up to 1500 by 1400 millimeters, made of steel, wood or composite materials. With 4-motor continuous vibration system and cycle times from 10 seconds, the Ultra 3000 can produce 280,000 bricks, 160,000 pavers, 44,000 hollow blocks, or 9,000 curbstones on a standard board size per 9-hour shift. The Ultra 3000 block machine has full PLC-controlled operation, pneumatic mold and tamper clamping for fast mold box changing. The heavy-duty tubular frame is designed to work continuously under demanding multi-shift operating conditions. The Ultra 3000 includes heavy-duty tamper vibrators, precision product height control, servo-hydraulic valves with encoders for closed-loop control. These technical design features of the Ultra 3000 result in lower cement consumption, high compaction, excellent dimensional consistency of products, and fast cycle times. While the machine is in operation, machine parameters can be changed using a touchscreen interface. This allows instant adaptation to changing moisture content and aggregate consistency without having to stop your production. The plant is available with fully automated pallet and product handling. The wet side conveying system transports the board. The wet concrete product on the production board is stacked up in the stacker. Once a full set of production boards have been accumulated, the finger and transfer car transfers them into the curing racks and chamber. All finger and transfer cars can be either fully automated or manually operated. After the initial curing in the chamber is complete, the product is removed from the racking system and taken to the destacker. PMSA supplies a full range of racking and curing solutions, including craft vapor generators, insulated chambers, and circulation systems. Once the cured products have exited the curing chamber, a block pusher is used to push the product together and center it accurately onto the board, ready for the Ultra Packer head. Bricks and pavers are then packed and stacked using the Ultra Packer head, which automatically stacks the dry products from the pallets into the correct pack size onto the slab conveyor, ready for strapping. Strapping can be manual or fully automated, depending on the client's requirements. Manual strapping by hand is facilitated by using a slapped conveyor, which has open slats allowing for the easy feeding of the strapping material underneath the product packs. The slapped conveyor then moves the finished packs to the outside area. After the packer head, the empty production board or pallet is then moved along by the chain conveyors to get cleaned and turned over to get even use on both sides of the board. All mechanical equipment, electronic and electric control panels supplied by PMSA are designed and manufactured in-house, providing clients with a one-stop shop for the full plant, ensuring the end user of quality, reliability and support at all times. PMSA has a business philosophy of built to last, where customers are assured of equipment that is designed and built to last for decades. We consistently invest in the latest business processes and engineering to make sure the PMSA business is built to last. The business has been in operation for decades and supplies a full range of high-quality concrete equipment to our vast client base, while consistently developing customer relationships that are built to last.